How do I record again? Welcome to another what I ate in a day video. Today might not be as healthy as last time just because I want pasta for lunch, so I'll have it. First things first, I'm out of breakfast, so I need to go and get some. This is like my worst nightmare. I hate being out of breakfast and having to go first thing in the morning to the shop. I rather go like in the afternoon, but oh well. Look, I could have cereal, but I think if I'm actually recording what I ate in a day, I should at least try to make it a little more interesting. Let's go to the shop and actually purchase something to eat. Also, I just got dressed to go to the shop and I realized that my hair looks really weird on camera. That's because I really tried to make one of those cool buns, like, you know, split in the middle and stuff, but on me it just looks weird. Look, I tried. I even put like a scrunchie in the back and stuff. It's black leather scrunchie is the only scrunchie I will ever accept. I really tried. My head is just not one for the buns. Here's a clip of me trying to show you that I enjoy the outside, but then I realized that there's fresh air and people, and I actually hate it. So I'm going to show you how I make my egg on toast, but it's a pretty quick process, so I'm just going to do like a voiceover over that. I'm putting the pan on the highest heat, and the rest is history. I am adding about a teaspoon of chili oil to the pan and spreading it around. Next, I'm cracking an egg on top of the chili oil and using a spatula to keep it in the middle and also scramble a little bit. If anyone is triggered by me using a metal spatula on my pan, I'm sorry. Adding pink Himalayan salt for seasoning. Now I will also gracefully flip my egg, and at this point I'm turning the heat off and letting the residual heat finish cooking it. I'm having my egg with sourdough toast and with a side of beans, and yes, I did just put hot beans out of a microwave on a plate with my bare hands. Some call it crazy, I call it born and raised in a village. Toast with eggs and beans and chili oil. Look, if you don't like spicy food, I don't know what to tell you. And I'm also drinking 500 ml of water. Try it. It's delicious. I'm in glasses mode. I'm having another thing of water and a cheeky Red Bull. I know I'm not supposed to have them. I know that's not good for you, but you know what? I love it. I'm not gonna quit it. This is like one thing. It's like chocolate. Why would you ever quit chocolate completely? I'm restricting, but not quitting. Regarding water, I'm having 4 of those things a day. I'm having one with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and one in between breakfast and lunch. I found that that's the best way for me to keep track how much I'm having and making sure I stay hydrated. That's the Red Bull. Is a liquid also, so I feel so bad now. It's just like a little cheeky one. All right, serious business. It's time for lunch. Lunch is always the biggest meal for me because I'm Polish and this is how we eat. We always have the most food at lunchtime, and then dinner is again smaller and possibly lighter than lunch. Probably for better sleep, I don't know. I'm making pasta today. One serving is normally 100 grams of dry pasta. The recipe I'm making today has really no vegetables in it and quite a lot of cheese, so I'll be using 70 grams of pasta, and I'm making a side salad with lettuce and tomato. I'm normally using brown pasta, but this is only 50 grams, so I'm gonna add 20 grams of normal people pasta. I'm going to boil the pasta first. This is my pot. water is heating up. I'm undercooking it by 2 minutes because I'm going to leave it in a pot. The sauce for this, it comes along very quickly. I'm just gonna leave the pasta in a pot and then quickly throw together the sauce and transfer the pasta to the pan. I have a lazy person tip for you, which I actually use a lot. Prepare your lunch and dinners and breakfast even whenever you have the time and the will to do it, because you're most likely to eat healthy if you actually prepare the food ahead of time, because once you're actually hungry, you're like, those cookies look good, so let's just eliminate that and trying to prepare the stuff beforehand. My pasta water here, my pasta water is boiling, so I have some time now and I'm already in the kitchen, so you know, I'm not gonna be too lazy to walk the 3 meters to the kitchen later on. I'm going to prepare my dinner plate and I'm just having veggies and hummus for dinner. So I'm just gonna prepare it now and grab it later when I want to eat it. Lazy person tips only on this channel. I feel like there's not enough space on the internet for lazy bitter people who just want to do things the easiest way possible and with the least effort possible, so they can just sit on the couch. So I'm gonna provide you with that. How to be lazy, such a tip. This is my side salad. It's just lettuce, tomato, pepper and pink Himalayan salt. And yes, I am going to let my warm pasta touch the cold lettuce and tomato because, as I mentioned, I am lazy and I am not going to take out a separate bowl and then put it in a dishwasher later just so a few leaves on my plate can be cold. Lazy people tips. I'm starting with some batter in a pan. Once it's melted, I'm adding a little bit of garlic, about 20 grams of blue cheese, and some water from cooking pasta. I don't have exact measurements. This is just me throwing things together and hoping it's going to taste good at the end. I am transferring the pasta directly from the pot to the pan and cracking some black pepper on top. I am letting it cook a little bit, and once it's this consistency, it's done. I did a really bad job transferring it to my plate. Last step is some chopped up walnuts. Alright, so I didn't do a great job transferring my pasta to the plate, so it's looking a little rough. I could wipe it. I'm also having another one of this. That's my lunch. Also, I forgot to mention that I didn't put any dressing on the salad because the blue cheese has such a strong flavor that a little bit of freshness from just vegetables, nothing else, will go perfectly with that. Guys, so I just made the grape sorbet, viral grape sorbet, and I'm having this as kind of a snack or whatever. It's just literally blended grapes. Anyways, if you want to see me doing this, I have a short doing this recipe. Check it out. So this is my dinner. I'm having veggies with hummus. This is probably like 6 teaspoons of hummus, and I'm adding this sauce to the hummus. I like it spicy because I feel like it has more flavor and I actually really enjoy eating this meal. And I want more hot sauce. It's finished. I'm sad now. And I'm going to make a tea. I'm gonna make Earl Grey tea because whenever I have just raw vegetables for dinner, like a salad or dip in veggies, my stomach doesn't really agree with it, so I need something warm in my belly before I eat this and maybe during as well. So I'm just gonna sip on tea whilst having the hummus veggies and enjoy my life. I gotta finish this video before I forget. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. what I ate in a day video. Second part. I'm gonna try to do more of these because I actually really enjoy it, and it kind of weirdly keeps me in check with like not eating snacks and stuff, because I would have to film it and show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and till next time.